Hello, and welcome to the Preparing to Teach Mathematics with Technology, Examining Student Practices in Algebra and Function project, or PTMT ESP for short. We have developed a plethora of materials that were designed around the idea that an important component of learning to teach math with technology is having the opportunity to approximate important teaching practices using authentic student work. In this case, our authentic student work is video clips of students engaged in technology-enhanced math tasks. Our materials are packaged into 8 modules, with each one having about 4 to 5 activities in them that you can use when working with teachers in their university coursework or in professional development settings. 60 carefully selected video clips of students working on technology-enhanced math tasks form the basis of these tasks.
The PTMT ESP project builds on over 15 years of National Science Foundation funded research-based curriculum development. This work is focused on designing materials to support math teacher educators in their work with secondary math teachers who are learning to use math action technologies in their instruction. The newest set of materials is a companion to the PTMT teaching algebra materials in that the mathematical topics and technologies are aligned, which makes it easy to use the 2 sets of materials together. In the PTMT ESP modules, teachers will have the opportunity to see students engaged in technology-enhanced math tasks using a variety of dynamic graphing technologies, interactive applets, virtual manipulatives, and computer algebra systems on topics that range from algebraic equivalence and rate of change to the key features of trigonometric functions.
One of the central components of all of the PTMT ESP modules is teacher noticing of students' mathematical thinking. We have adopted Jacobs and colleagues' 3 components of teacher noticing and adapted it to focus on what it means to notice students' thinking when students are learning through engagement with math action technologies. This entails noticing not only what students say and write, but also how students use the technology. Teacher noticing is foundational to pedagogical practices, including anticipating student thinking, posing purposeful questions, eliciting and using student thinking, and facilitating meaningful mathematical discussions. The practice of teacher noticing when students are engaged with technology-enhanced tasks is one of the key components of TPAT, the unique and specialized knowledge teachers draw upon when teaching math with technology. With this in mind, you will find an emphasis on teacher noticing in all 8 of the modules. In the first module, we share a research-based framework for teacher noticing in technology-mediated environments to support teachers' pedagogical practices throughout the PTMT ESP materials. This framework, paired with the many opportunities to notice student thinking by examining video clips of pairs of students engaged in technology-enhanced math tasks, is a powerful way to support teachers' TPAT development.
In every module, teachers first engage with a technology-enhanced task as a learner, and then complete a series of tasks that give them opportunities to develop their pedagogical practices when teaching with technology. The PTMT ESP materials are extensive, with 39 tasks across the 8 modules. We've designed them in such a way that you do not need to move through them in any specific order. Rather, you can choose stacks of tasks that meet your specific needs. We have used the materials in math methods courses focused on algebraic thinking, as well as courses specifically focused on teaching secondary math with technology. We include support materials to help you figure out how to best select a stack of tasks that meets the specific needs of your teachers.
Over 15 years has gone into building all the materials that are here on the PTMT portal. It's all free, and it's intended to support mathematics teacher educators as they prepare teachers to teach mathematics with technology. In addition to the new PTMT ESP materials, we have materials to help support teaching algebra, materials for teaching geometry, teaching data analysis and probability, teaching statistics investigations, and voices from the field. The latter is a collection of video clips where real teachers talk about how they use technology in their mathematics classrooms. We think it's a great companion to all the rest of our materials. We hope you'll take some time to explore everything there is to offer here on our portal. We believe that your teachers will learn a lot by engaging in our materials, and we hope you enjoy using them just as much as we do.